Hey guys, today we are reviewing a very interesting products. I've been eyeing on these products for a really long time, and these are the Swiss Beauty Color Me Bright Sketch Liners. I am super excited to review them today. There are 10 different colors and I'm excited to try them on, give you a complete review about what I feel about these products. So if you want to know everything about these liners, stay tuned. So guys, as I am a makeup artist, I always look out for some amazing liners which will make my life easy for those clients who need a different kind of liner looks. So I always look out for something which can help me create those looks. So finally I saw Swiss Beauty coming up with their graphic liners, and I really wanted to try my hands on to them, and these are their recent launch, and I got all the shades that I can get. So they have 10 shades with them, and I got every single shade with me, and I'm excited to try them out. So if we talk about the packaging looks super premium with the shade colors on the packaging, which helps it actually to pick out the products. So I completely in love with the packaging. This looks super premium, and if you see these products, these are so nicely done. These are like pen formats with very precision kind of tip inside, which will help you to create that graphic liners kind of look. I absolutely love this kind of tip. This actually are super helpful to create those winged liner looks and different colorful liner looks. So let's just quickly talk about what the company claims. So the company claims that these are transfer proof, which we will see in a bit, and these are matte finish, these are quick to dry, and this has precision tip, which I already know that this does have. Also, these products are super pocket friendly. These are only for 259 rupees for one product, which is amazing. If you look for graphic liners, if you look for colorful liners, not many products are available in the market, and with this price point, this is an absolute steal. We'll definitely gonna see how this works on the eyes, but the price point is amazing. So let's just see how these 10 shades are doing on my hand. So these are all the swatches that you can see. You can also take like a screenshot and pick out your favorite products from the range. Today I'm gonna create a intense liner kind of a look, and I am really excited to try them out. And I'm gonna try out 4 different shades because सारे तो यूज़ करना एक बारी में will not be possible for me, but I will definitely try out as much as I can. So 4 तो I'm definitely using, but the main attraction is the white liner, is because दूसरे brand के white liners are not that pigmented. I would like to see how this will sit on the eyes, how pigmented this is, and how beautifully this will going to work on my eyelid. Okay, so as you can see, my eyes are ready, concealed, to get some liner details on them. So the first liner that I will pick up is this blue, because I think it will complement with my dress very well. But before that, I would like to create a shadow look just to complement the blue. I'm gonna pick up a brush. I'm gonna pick up a pink shadow which will just complement my top, and I'm gonna apply this like a winged liner kind of a look. Not too intense, but just to give that base, I am applying this shadow. I'm not gonna do a lot because I want the liners to shine through. So the first color that I am picking up is this blue, because I think it will complement my top and my pink shadow very well. So I'm just gonna create like a small wing liner with it. So my wing liner is done. I mean, you can see how precise is the tip. and this is like one swipe and completely like pigmented, beautifully gliding onto your lids. I mean, this is so pretty. Okay, so after the blue liner, I'm thinking of doing like a pink liner now. So I'm just gonna create like, you know, something like on top of this to just give it a more dramatic look. So let's see how the pink one works. Oh my god, can you see the color payoff? It's so pretty. This is so beautiful and so intense. I'm loving it already. And now I think I'm gonna try the white liner, and I'm keeping my breath intact for this white liner. I just want it to, you know, work wonderfully. It will be a 10 out of 10 for me then. Okay, let's just create the white liner look. Oh my god, look at that. This is so pretty. I'm gonna try and make like a star, like 2-3 stars on here. This is absolutely 10 out of 10 for me. Do you see the pigment? Do you see the color payoff? And the way it glided on my eye is so pretty. Now I would like to try the purple shade. This is my daughter's favorite color, by the way. She only and only sees the color purple. I mean, she looks at the color purple and she grabs it. So I'm gonna take this for her, and I'm just gonna create like a lower lash line, but I think I'll just do it from the middle. So I'm just excited now. All right, look at that. I'm just gonna fill my lower lash line with a little bit of that pink shadow just to complete the look. Now I'm gonna do my other eye and I'm gonna come right back. So guys, I'm back and I have done some glitter also, like some stones here and there. And this looks absolutely amazing. If I give you kind of review summary, I absolutely love the color payoff, especially the white one, because मेरे को लगा नहीं था कि इतना बढ़िया color payoff और इतना smoothly it will like glide onto my eyelids. And these are quick dry as well. अगर मैं यहाँ पे, you know, I just created this and like within 5-6 seconds it just dries on and it will stay on like बहुत ही बढ़िया तरीके से. This is like you know, drying onto your lids, and this is matte, obviously matte finish, and this will stay on for a really long time. So if I talk about the price point and the products, these are must have. I am superbly impressed with the Swiss Beauty Color Me Bright sketch liners. I think everyone should have it in their vanity, and I am absolutely in love with them. I think as you can already see, the beautiful you know, liner eyes are something like, this is one of my favorite looks by far that I have created, and I'm absolutely loving it. So yeah, let me know in the comment section below what do you think about my eye look and what do you think about this review.